who spent for the ad campaign, "We Give the World Our Best," which was seen in the London buses, Mr. President?
It's not the OP, Your Honor. Possibly the DOT.
Hindi, iba po. Kaya that's why I'm asking, because iba campaign ng DOT, di ba? Love the Philippines sila eh. Kaya nga doon ako nasasayangan. Actually, Mr. President, nakita ko eh. Kung umabot yung "We Give the World Our Best," it's an ad campaign in the buses of London, on the buses of London, gumastos tayo ron. Tapos, a couple of days or weeks later, "Love the Philippines" naman ang linonch.
It was not the Office of the President, Your Honor.
It was not the Office of the President. Okay. So it was not a certain presidential advisor. Kung ganun.
Kung meron man, it was not official funds, malamang. Baka initiative niya personally, di ba? Maaring ganun. But
So
definitely...
may we know if the Office of the President or anyone in the Office of the
I'm
President
just
is
speculating.
even aware of that ad campaign?
They're only aware of it in the sense that they also saw it, Your Honor, but they don't really know where the funding came from it. But definitely not the Office of the President, not the OP, Your Honor.
No interest in finding out? No one in the OP, in the entire Malacanang, thousands of people in the Malacanang, no one was interested in finding out?
They can find out, Your Honor, and inform you.
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Kailangan pa i-request pa pala dito yun, Mr. President.
Hindi rin nila alam, Mr. President.
So. Walang kusa, walang interest. Wala tayong interest sa what's happening. That's an ad campaign. It mentions our country. Sa London. Wala. Nobody lifted the finger to find out. Background information, wala. No one. Okay. Sige, anyway, Mr. President.
It was still during the time of Paul Soriano, Director Paul Soriano, Your Honor. This is what I'm told. So, baka siya nakakaalam ho. We will ask.
Wala na ba siya ngayon?
Wala na po. Wala.
Pero dapat ang mga institutions natin o agencies, may mga institutional memory naman. I mean, di ba? Pag alis ng tao, wala nang may alam. What's happening to our government agencies, Mr. President? Wala tayong memory. So,